Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to talk about market structure. I've talked a lot about over the past couple of weeks the value of time and volatility, but the one thing that makes the difference in all your trading, I don't care what the indicator is, mine or anybody else's, is understanding the structure of the market dictates strategy, and strategy then dictates how you will use the indicators that you choose. And in this case, looking at the S&P today, these are some really easy telltales for transitions in market sentiment, not to mention the fact that we had a caution day from approximately 10 o'clock to about lunchtime. And in that, this was all, unfortunately, a Powell affected morning with the second day of the Humphrey Hawkins testimony. Once he's done, right? And once we get past the lunchtime doldrums, right about 1:30, right? These are important day trading clock type times. We start to see, all right, coming out of lunchtime, we had a bearish market trend. This is the lower row of what we call the multi-trend. As we went into the second half of the day, which is basically your 1:30 to 4 window, you'll notice it took about 10-15 minutes. We transitioned to a neutral market. Neutral markets are really powerful for day traders. Yes, trends are awesome, but neutral markets are going to then open up the possibility that this downtrend really isn't, especially one that's established during the lunchtime midday doldrums, not necessarily what the market wants to do. Please do not take action between 11:30 to 1:30 too seriously, frankly. It has to get reconfirmed with sort of the latter half of the day, afternoon session reopen, which is really going to happen starting at about 1:30, and we start to see volume and volatility re-enter the market between 1:30 and 2 p.m. Eastern. And that's exactly what we're seeing. What happened? We took out the line in the sand right here, that orange line. Green grab candles started plotting after a series of neutral blue, and the neutral market trend allowed for traders to let go of that relatively meaningless downtrend that happened the last hour of the midday doldrums and acknowledge that we're on the bullish side of the line in the sand, something that I determine every morning on the daily time frame before I even begin day trading. And it opened up the door to the bulls coming in and driving the market higher into the close. So the first thing is, how do we eliminate one side of the market from contention? Well, in this case, time was a big part of that. Do not trade during these midday doldrum hours. Time was a big part of that. And then market structure. Isn't that so interesting? We no sooner come out of the midday doldrums and market structure goes back neutral the way it was before the midday doldrums kicked in. So keep that in mind. Just understanding time is going to keep you out of a lot of trouble then moving on to structure. And it's little cues like that that are going to make a huge difference in your day trading. Now this brings me to what we've been working towards for 8 months and really the last couple of weeks, which is the Dominate Day Trading conversation that we're going to have on site. I love that. I love alliteration. So Dominate 2022 Day Trading. You can sign up for the class and see what you get at the basic, the pro, and the elite levels at simplertrading.com/guide. I've been getting a lot of questions about the indicators, gang. HPMR, multi-trend, sector slow stow, Darvis 3.0. I'm actually looking at my chart, and everything on it you get with the class. The HPMRs are a subscription. And I've had a lot of folks ask me, Rog, I'm not sure that I'm ready to plunk down the elite level, even though that gets me a full year of the HPMRs with the class. So you get a $12.97 class, right? That's the elite level of the class, 4 days of live trading, and 1 year of the updates to the HPMR. These are updated anywhere from 1 to 3 times per month. Now, the idea that, you're committing to a subscription, I get it. A lot of traders saying, well, Rog, how can I kind of take a baby step into it? And that's where I say the basic class, which gives you access to, what I'm going to teach you on Saturday, this Saturday, by the way. And then you get 1 month. You get 1 month. And what that 1 month is going to allow you to do is put these on your chart for a month, watch the price action through most of July, get the updates throughout that 1 month, and get a really good feel for, is this really going to be a needle mover in my trading life or not? I get it. Everyone else, if you're ready to go with the live trading 3 months and live trading 1 year, check out simplertrading.com/guide. You'll get a much more complete look at what you're getting. And then we did this yesterday. Okay, Rog, I get that the class is coming up, but I have some questions. Check out the webinar at simplertrading.com/answer-replay. For about an hour and a half, we went through the packages, but even more so, we went through your questions, the most frequently asked questions. Rog, I can't trade 9:30 to 11:30. Or Rog, I can't trade during the U.S. trading hours. What else is there? We're going to go over the 5 different day trading windows that I like to trade. So really, wherever you are on the planet, there is a window that should be accessible, and the HPMRs work. Another thing that a lot of traders are noticing, that HPMRs work Monday through Friday. Now, there are some strategies of mine that I've often said are better executed Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. HPMRs, because they're time and volatility, choppy fade type tools, along with the slow stochastic that I've customized for you for this class, they work every day because the markets are choppy. Time and volatility is incredibly hyper accurate right now. And barring days like today and yesterday, where we have Jerome Powell testifying for multiple hours each morning, we've got a great way to handle not just summer, but the rest of the year. And that is what this day trading class is really all about. How do you dominate 2022? How do you dominate chop? How do you use time and volatility? Which are zones, by the way, gang, that most traders just have no clue exist on a chart, because there's not been a way to find those levels and then put them on your chart before. So check it out, simplertrading.com/answer-replay. I'm looking forward to seeing you this Saturday. All right, gang, be good to each other. Hey, traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.